Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to change profile color on Asana. So simply click on my profile. So now you can see this is my profile. Just we will paste a beautiful picture here. Just type the black color. You can also select by choice. Just click on save image as. Now we are saving this picture in our relevant folder. Now move back to my profile. Just click on edit profile. Now upload your photo. Now select your relevant photo. Just we select our picture. Just click here, open it. Now wait for few seconds. Now you can see the color of your profile has been changed. So in this way you can easily change color and picture of your profile.